Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossip Funda. Our video is about Sims 4 split from household and move not working. There are a few steps, let's look at them. Step 1 is to save and quit the Sims 4. So while in the live mode, you need to click on the pause button in the lower right corner of the screen. This will pause the game. Once the game is paused, click on the three dot menu icon on the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, select Save to save your game progress. After the game is successfully saved, click on the three dot menu icon again and select Manage Worlds. From the World Management screen, you can choose the Save and Exit to return to the main menu. Step 2 is to delete local thumb cache file. For this, you need to open the File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to the Documents folder. This is the default location where the Sims 4 game files are stored. Within the Documents folder, locate and find the Electronic Arts folder. Look for the Sims 4 folder here and open it. Once inside the Sims 4 folder, you should find the local thumb cache.package file. Right click on the local thumb cache.package file and select delete from the context menu. Step 3 is to use manage households from the map. While in the live mode, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to access the map view. Once in the map view, you will see various neighborhoods icon and lot of thumbnails. Look for Manage World icon and click on it. From the World Management menu, you should see an option to manage households. In the Manage Households interface, you can edit existing households, move Sims between households, evict Sims and perform other household management actions. Step 4. Try moving Sims from Edit Household. Within the Manage Household interface, you can select the household that contains the Sims you want to move. Once you have selected the household, click on Edit Household or Modify CAS. In the Household Edit mode, you can add, remove or modify Sims within the household. You can also move them between the different households. Step 5 is to evict and move Sims. Within the Manage Household interface, select the household that contains the Sims you want to evict. Once you have selected the household, look for an option to evict or move out household. After evicting the Sims, return to the Household Management interface and select the new household where you want to move the evicted Sims. In the new household, look for the option of Move In or Add Sim and click to it. Step 6 is to repair Sims 4. If you are playing the Sims 4 original, you can try repairing the game. Log into the origin, go to your game library and right click on the Sims 4 and select Repair Game option from the list. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.